Thanks, how are you?
Excellent.
Good.
Excellent. You look vaguely familiar. Vaguely gorgeous familiar. You guys are back. All right, let's hear what you got. What are you going to do?
All right, well, as you may know, global warming has become an increasingly serious issue.
Everyone must do their part to save our home.
Please take a moment to enjoy and listen to our act to help bring awareness to global warming.
If we win the $20,000 Gong Show, a portion of the winnings will be donated towards realistic solutions for global warming.
Yeah, I wonder what that'll be.
Yeah.
Reduce.
Recycle. Ride the bus. Turn off lights.
Anybody got Kleenex?
Plant a tree.
That one had food in it.
Are melting. Polar bears are dying.
Oh. You need a sneeze guard over there.
Turn down heat. Toad litter. David Suzuki rocks.
David Suzuki rocks.
Pollution stinks.
Oh, I'm disgusted, but I can't look away.
But you're looking at global warming.
Yes, of course, as a staunch environmentalist. So is that it?